The joy of the first flight after breaking the cage. That's how I would like to describe this escape from 8-month long lockdown. Hi guys, welcome to No Bracket Bucket. Welcome to another vlog, a brand new vlog. I'm Shradute and welcome to my first long trip post-COVID. No, sorry, post-lockdown. We are going to some beautiful places in Karnataka and हम लोगों ने more than half distance from Mumbai cover कर लिया है because I am in Kolhapur right now, which is my nanny's place, and अभी हम आगे बढ़ेंगे. See you. यूजुअली एट दिस टाइम ऑफ द ईयर मैं मेरे दोस्तों के साथ ट्रैवल करती हूँ हर साल, मतलब पिछले 4 सालों से तो कर रही हूँ, बट ये साल सीन थोड़ा अलग है बिकॉज ऑफ कोरोना एंड तो इस साल मैं मेरे मॉम के दोस्तों के साथ ट्रैवल कर रही हूँ. लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस यू टू माई फेलो ट्रैवलर्स. सो दिस इज श्रीशा. हेलो. दिस इज श्रेया एंड दिस इज हर्षु. ही इज एक्चुअली अ वेरी प्रो ट्रैवलर एंड ये ट्रिप इन्होंने ही ऑर्गेनाइज किया है. सो
I am a foodie also.
या
She miss foodie.
या सो व्हाट इज टुडेज गोल? एजेंडा क्या है इसका?
एजेंडा आज का ऐसा कुछ खास नहीं है, लेकिन खास हो सकता है सब लोगों ने एंजॉय किया तो.
यस. एंड वेयर आर वी हेडिंग टुडे?
वी आर हेडिंग टू अंशी नेचर कैंप.
ओके, सो लेट्स गो. We just bought some fresh fish on our way and we bought that because जहाँ हम जा रहे हैं वो बहुत ही रिमोट एरिया है एंड वहाँ पे इतने सोर्सेज नहीं है, तो we bought some fish so that हमारे कुक जो होंगे they can cook some amazing dinner for us. The Crocodile Park in Dandeli is a must-visit place for nature lovers who love to explore the wildlife while indulging in adventurous activities. The next place we visited in Dandeli was Sintheri Rocks. It offers a wonderful time for the visitors with its beautiful landscape made up of volcanic rocks with the river Kanheri passing by its side. And finally, we arrived at our destination for the day, Anshi Nature Camp, which is famous for its tents and log huts, giving you the thrilling experience of jungle camping. So while you live in these tents, you have to double check the place because the such places are full of insects, mosquitoes and all types of such possibilities. So you have to check. अभी हमारे एक टेंट में से 3 frogs निकले थे, so you have to be very careful. And also we have to keep one thing in mind, that is when you live in such tents you can't expect luxury, at least. Oh, that was lizard. Yeah, so when you live in such tents you can't expect luxury. So अगर आपको पसंद है तो ही यहाँ पे आना. So this was the fish that we had bought earlier today, and let me just help you listen to the original audio of this footage so that you can get an idea of how raw this jungle experience was. After stuffing ourselves with a variety of fishes, it was now time for us to head out for a night safari.
पिवळे डोळे दिसले तर टायगर, लाल डोळे दिसले तर बिबट्या, ब्लॅक पॅन्थर.
Disha,
Yeah.
what did you find in your previous room?
Well, I saw a big leech over here, about 2 inches.
Oh my god. Leeches, yaar. I just can't think about leeches because that just scares me so much.
And there are many leeches over here actually. Even in the premises outside, there are many leeches. There are so many.
That is just one thing I'm very scared of because you don't even understand जब तक वो फूलता नहीं है ना.
Yeah,
Oh my
actually.
god. It's really weird.
It's going
I
to
just
be a
hope we don't
very
find.
adventurous trip actually.
I know. I just hope we don't find any more leeches here. She's my roommate and I don't think हमको आज रात में नींद आने वाली है because we are so scared and already हमारी नेट फट चुकी है विंडो वाली. But let's hope.
Let's hope there will be no more leeches.
Yeah.
And
Let's hope we get through this.
yeah, actually.
Jungle Camping 101. Don't forget to double check the bed and the mattress. Preferably cover yourselves with full clothes and put on some socks. Keep your shoes upside down so that there are no surprises in them for you the next morning. Light up some mosquito repellent sheets. Seal all the openings to the tent. And lastly, hope that you fall asleep as soon as possible.
Good morning.
Good morning.
झोप लागली?
एकदम मस्त.
गुड
गुड
मॉर्निंग.
मॉर्निंग.
झोप लागली? तुला तर सवय असेल.
डायरेक्ट रात्री झोपलो की सकाळीच उठलो 5-5:30 ला.
तू तर फरशीवर झोपलेलास ना?
होय
झोप लागली?
होय एकदम मस्त.
तो
चार
एकटा
बेड
नव्हता झोपला. तो
चार
चार-पाच
बेडकांसोबत.
घेऊन झोपला होता.
ऑनेस्टली मुझे स्टार्टिंग में बिल्कुल नींद नहीं लग रही थी बट फिर इतना अंधेरा था और हम लोग इतना थक गए थे तो थोड़ी देर बाद एनीवेज नींद लग गई. बट यार स्टिल हम लोगों भी यूज टू हो गए क्योंकि अंदर यहाँ पे 2-3 और मेंढक है. देयर आर फ्रॉग्स एंड आई ट्राई टू टेक दम आउट बट दे वोंट कम आउट. वो आ ही नहीं रहे मेरे कैच में. तो या frogs is not a big thing. I just hope I don't get a leech experience here because we are here in these tents for one more night. And yeah, डर नहीं लगता है but you know when you come for such jungle camps you have to have that idea कि अगर ऐसा कुछ हो तो what action is to be taken because without any knowledge अगर आप ऐसे आओगे तो आपको definitely आपकी फटेगी जैसे मेरी फट रही थी कल रात में.
After a filling breakfast, it was now time to hit the road again and reach Dandeli for river rafting.
The river behind me is Kali River and अभी हम लोग 22 kilometers by road uphill आए हैं and now we will be rafting for 12 kilometers in the river. This is my first ever rafting experience and I'm very excited. Although flow ज़्यादा नहीं है क्योंकि डैम का पानी उन्होंने बंद कर दिया है and but yeah it'll be fun. Yeah.
I would like to say Dandeli is the best place if you want to try out river rafting for the first time.
ओके पैडल सब इधर ना. ओके जोश में बोलो ना जय हिप हिप. या चलो फॉरवर्ड. झुक के करो टॉम लगा के. ओके स्टॉप पैडलिंग. टीम गेट डाउन. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Ready? 1, 2, 3, come on.
Don't forget to take a dip into the river and watch out for wild animals on the riverbank.
कैसा था एक्सपीरियंस?
नाइस एक्सपीरियंस।
व्हाट्स योर नेम?
खुशी।
आपका?
आशीष चित्रेश।
थैंक यू। ये हम लोग के को राफ्टर्स थे एंड वी हैड ग्रेट फन। बाय। He was a captain, he was a other raft captain and बहुत मजा आया। फ्लो कम था बट इनके वजह से बहुत ज़्यादा मजा आया। Thank you। That was river rafting from, we did it from Kali Adventure Camp, but यहाँ पे almost सारे resorts जो भी river side में है, they offer you these sports। यहाँ पे बाकी भी बहुत कुछ है, zorbing, zip lining and everything। बट यू हैव टू मेक श्योर बिफोर कमिंग हियर कि यहाँ पे पानी है या नहीं है, बिकॉज द डैम्स दे डोंट ओपन द गेट्स ऑल टाइम ऑफ द ईयर। इसलिए यू नीड टू कॉन्टैक्ट दीज रिजॉर्ट पीपल एंड मेक श्योर कि पानी है फिर ही यहाँ पे आना, बिकॉज आई थिंक आज पानी नहीं था इसीलिए इतना मज़ा नहीं आया। मज़ा तो बहुत आया बट क्राफ्टिंग का मज़ा नहीं आया। सो या that's pretty much about it. Back to our tents and आज के लिए इतना ही, क्योंकि everybody is really exhausted as पानी कम था and कम पानी में आपको ज़्यादा rowing करनी पड़ती है and rowing is a major upper body workout. So everybody including me we are very exhausted and इसलिए आज बाकी कुछ नहीं करेंगे। And tomorrow we are leaving to a place called Karwar, which is a beach destination in Karnataka itself, and I'm thinking to cover that place in another vlog. So yeah, that's it for this vlog then. I will end this vlog here and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Stay tuned for the next part of Karnataka Goa vlog series where we will explore the coastal town of Karwar.